Good afternoon. I'm here with Live Aloha Landscape and Designs. My name's Katrina Merritt and I'm one of the owners. What I'm here is for you today with garden care. I know that a lot of you, the heat of the summer, who wants to go out and pick weeds? Being in a place that it's not fully tropical, but it's subtropical. We don't get those nice light weeds. We get pterodactyls. Not to mention, who the heck wants to go out in the heat? We're gonna take a look at a lovely piece of my backyard that's a train wreck, just so you know. Why does it look this way? Because we're in your yard. One of the things is, believe it or not, this is actually a hibiscus. But I have jungle vine that has grown all into it. We're gonna go ahead and clean out this whole bed. We're gonna do all the things that we can do for you so you can stay in the air conditioning, and our guys who know how to handle the heat and handle your yard will take care of it for you. We come in with the edger to define your bed line. As you can see, this has kind of been overtaken by the weeds and it's not very clear. So one of the best things to do is define that bed line right away with an edger, and then we'll take it from there. See you in a few. So far, we've gotten all the weeds out. If you take a look, huge difference, as you can see. You can actually see. We're gonna now deadhead, okay? That means I'm gonna cut this all the way back down. This will help this plant rejuvenate. It's already bloomed. The hummingbirds love this stuff, and I love the hummingbirds. I'm not gonna do this hibiscus right now. She's got a lot of little blooms. I'll let her bloom and I'll come back and take her back down. Why do I do that? It's for the health of the plant. It's kind of like getting a haircut. Not only does it help it to bloom again, but it also thickens it up. We're now going to, when you have an edge bed like this that is grass to dirt, you need to make sure that you create some type of barrier in between your mulch and your grass. What we do is we punch it in here, get it into the edge, and not a lot, but if you notice, it gives you about 3 to 4 inches, okay? What happens is your mulch is gonna drop in here and go back, but it's gonna create a barrier. It'll help to keep the grass and weeds out. Do not take the extra dirt out. You don't need to do that. And I will show you as soon as I'm done with this quick edging here, how to get your dirt and just smooth it out throughout your whole bed prior to laying the mulch. Okay, we've now dug our little gully all the way down, and I also did it on the side of that cement. As you notice, there's a lot of little piles of dirt. All of these are fine. All you're gonna do is you're gonna take this stuff and you're gonna back rake it into the rest of your bed. Is all you're gonna do. You're gonna smooth it out because you don't want rough mulch, and it's good to get some new dirt around the sides of your plants. And when I'm raking it back and getting it all smooth, don't continue to use the forks down. Flip it over and this becomes what smooths it out for you. Remember, the high point is in the back and then it drains and lowers down. And now we're on to our last bit. This will save you. Killer product. It's not going to guarantee to take away your weeds or keep them away forever, but it will absolutely slow down the growth. So this helps them not to come up, okay? Start from the back and work your way forward and cover your whole area, including your little trench. This is something we do prior to putting down the mulch. So we've got all your preen down. Now we're gonna go for the mulch. Bags, I believe, are the best way. I'm gonna start from the back and I'm gonna move forward so you can see how I do it.